What would you think about a product with this name? How about this one? Well, according to psychologists Hyunjin and Norbert Schwarz, if a word is difficult to pronounce, it is perceived as dangerous. As part of an experiment, these researchers gave some people a bunch of names, some easy to pronounce and some difficult. The subjects were told that these names were food additives and were asked to rate how harmful they thought they were. The additives with names that were hard to pronounce were rated to be more harmful, even though participants knew nothing about them other than their names. This reveals how our minds can subconsciously link the difficulty of a pronunciation with a heightened perception of risk. However, the perception of hard names isn't always bad. In addition to being more dangerous, they were also perceived as having more novelty. In another study, these same researchers gave people a list of names representing amusement park rides. As with the food additives, the names that were harder to pronounce were also rated to be riskier. But in the context of roller coasters, that means they're more exciting. The basic theory behind this is that words that are easier to pronounce have familiar sound patterns, and familiarity is associated with safety. On the other hand, words that are hard to pronounce carry sound patterns that are unfamiliar, associating them with uncertainty and risk, and our cognitive gears shift into a state of heightened awareness. These ideas about perceptions of names goes beyond pronunciation, as indicated by other experiments. A word's ease of reading due to font legibility in contrast with the background can also have an effect on how people perceive it. Big companies know about this phenomenon, and these are some of the things that they consider when creating a brand name and logo. So what's in a name? As it turns out, a lot more than meets the ear. Expand your knowledge of human behavior. Hit the like button and subscribe.